Hey there, welcome to Money Smart with Frank. Today, we're going to dive into the world of holiday finance, specifically focusing on 5 ways on how to make money for Christmas shopping. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never get to miss out on our latest tips and tricks for financial success. Now, have you packed a pinch of the holiday season on your wallet? You're not alone. You see, a startling statistics shows the average American spent over $900 on Christmas gifts alone. So today, I'm here to change that story for you guys. Join me as we embark on a journey filled with innovative strategies, personal anecdotes, and some surprising insights into making this Christmas not only joyful, but financially savvy. And keep an eye for a special bonus strategy that I'll reveal midway through our session. It's really a game changer. Picture this, guys. It's December. The streets are aglow with festive lights. The air is tinged with the scent of pine and cinnamon. And there you are, fretting about your Christmas shopping budget. Does this resonate with you? Well, you're certainly not alone. In fact, recent statistics show that holiday spending often leads to significant financial stress, with many diving into savings just to bring joy to their loved ones. But today, we're going to flip that script. I want to unveil not only one, not two, but 5 innovative ways to boost your income specifically for the Christmas shopping. And here's a little teaser. In the middle of our journey today, I'll reveal a bonus strategy that could be the key to transforming your holiday finances. This isn't just about making ends meet. It's about redefining your festive season with financial confidence and joy. So stay tuned as each strategy we explore could be the turning point in your holiday financial story. And on that note, let's get to the video. Strategy number 1. Side hustles and part-time jobs. As we explore our first strategy, let's unlock the potential of side hustles and part-time jobs. Now, imagine turning your skills and interests into a profitable venture. The first thing to do is to start by identifying what you're good at or what you enjoy. Then, you'll be able to venture into the vast world of opportunities from seasonal retail jobs to online freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. But here's a heads up. Juggling a side hustle with your regular responsibilities can really be challenging. You see, the key is to create a structured schedule and set achievable goals. My advice is not to overcommit. Balance is really crucial at this point. Let's take inspiration from Emily, a graphic designer who leveraged her skills in freelancing. Not only did she cover holiday expenses, but she also saved enough for a vacation. And there's Carlos, who discovered his passion while working part-time at a bookstore, earning extra cash along the way. Your story can be just as successful as them. So I encourage you guys to think about that skills you can offer. Could your hobby be a lucrative side gig? Share your ideas in the comments. I'm really excited to hear about them. And don't forget, a bonus strategy is coming up that might just change your approach to your holiday finances. On that note, let's move on to strategy number 2, which is selling unused items. Moving on to our next money-making avenue, it's time to turn your clutter into some cash. You see, we've ventured into the world of selling unused or unwanted items from the comfort of your home. This strategy, it's not just about making a quick buck. It's really about reevaluating what we own and why. Why do we really own that? And by you asking that question, this is going to lead you up to a more intentional lifestyle. Because having fewer items at your disposal is much better than having a clutter in your house. So here's what I want you to do. Visualize at the corner of your house where your old gadgets might be. Clothes you no longer wear, or books you've already read, probably gathering dust somewhere else. Now, these aren't just idle objects, I must say. They're potential sources for you to make income from. Now, with the right approach, what seems like a junk can transform into a significant contribution to your Christmas shopping budget. In order to make your time worthwhile, here are the steps to make this happen. First, gather items you no longer use. Next, you need to take quality photos of those items. Now, once you've got your photos, post them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Dedup. It's not without its challenges. One major hurdle you might encounter is setting the right price. Now, the solution to this is really simple. Research similar items online to find a competitive price point. Next, you need to create compelling descriptions, taking attractive photos like I've said, and send the right prices to attract eager buyers that'll be willing to buy those items. It's all about marketing your items effectively to find them in a new home where they'll be valued and used. Let's look at this example and draw some inspiration from Sarah, a viewer who shared a story of selling a handcrafted jewelry. She told me it really started like a hobby. You see, her creations became popular and she made a significant amount last holiday season. Her experience underlies the hidden potential in hobbies and our innate personal talent. Remember guys, selling unused items is not just a transaction. It's about sustainability and making conscious choices about what we keep in our lives. So as we move forward, think about what you can let go of. What hidden treasures do you have that can help fund your festive season? Engage with us in the comments below and share your experiences or tips on selling unused items. It's always enlightening to hear diverse perspectives and success stories, what items you're willing to let go. Coming up next, get ready for some out-of-the-box ideas as we delve into creative ways to make money for Christmas shopping. And this is no other than strategy number 3, which is creative money-making ideas. Let's dive into our third strategy, where your creativity can shine as a lucrative venture. Ever considered how your hobbies or unique skills can contribute to your Christmas fund? This segment is all about leveraging those talents for profit, from handcrafting personalized gifts to providing holiday-themed services. Imagine this. Mia, an avid crafter, started creating and selling bespoke holiday ornaments. You see, her small project turned into a thriving online business, covering her entire Christmas expenses and much more. And there's also Ben, whose love for cooking led him to offer holiday meal prep services, turning his culinary passion into a profitable side hustle. So guys, you might be wondering, how can I really get started with doing this? This is what you need to do. Identify a hobby or skill that you can monetize, like crafting or graphic design. Then use platforms like Etsy for crafts or Fiverr for digital services. However, the challenge here is standing out in the crowded market. And to overcome this, I'd advise that you develop a unique selling proposition and leverage social media for marketing. Truly guys, the potential doesn't end there. How about conducting workshops or classes in your area of expertise? You see, with platforms like Zoom and Etsy, reaching a wide audience has never been easier. It's not just about the extra income. It's about embracing what you love and sharing it with others. Now it's your turn. What unique skills do you have that could be monetized during this festive season? Share your comments below and let's exchange some innovative ideas. Up next, I've got a bonus strategy that's sure to intrigue you. It's truly a unique twist to traditional money-making methods that you definitely won't want to miss. Let's move on to strategy number 4, which is discovering online earning opportunities. As we venture into the digital world, we'll find ourselves surrounded by a myriad of online earning opportunities. You see, the internet is an expansive space, brimming with potential for anyone willing to explore it. In this segment, we'll delve into how blogging, affiliate marketing, and virtual tutoring can become a truly significant income stream for you. Now imagine this. Have you ever thought about starting a blog on a subject you're passionate about? Well, here are the steps to help you start a blog on a niche subject. But first, the challenge that most people face is really building an audience. However, that shouldn't be your priority, because what you should focus on as a solution is to consistently produce quality content. You see, as you produce quality content and your audience grows, you can use affiliate marketing to monetize your blog. There are various programs and platforms to do this. You can sell to Amazon Associates to start earning through commission-based sales. By promoting products that align with your interests or expertise, you can earn commission-based sales. It's truly a win-win situation where you share what you love and get rewarded for doing it. Furthermore, if you have a skill or knowledge in a particular subject, why not consider virtual tutoring? The steps to setting it up is really simple. You can join platforms like VIP Kid or Check Tutors or even Skillshare. As a matter of fact, there are lots of platforms to choose from. You can check out the list on my description box below. Now, let's look at some challenges that you might face setting this up, which is really about building a client base. The solution to this is really about providing exceptional service and use online networking to expand your reach. Have you ever noticed something, guys? The demand for online education is really soaring, and you can be one of those that can fill up that gap. Whether it's teaching a language, or a school subject, or a unique skill, your knowledge can translate into really a valuable source of income for you. So, to give you a real-world perspective, let's talk about Jordan. He started a tech blog as a hobby and gradually built his following. Through affiliate links and ad revenue, His blog now generates enough income to cover all his holiday expenses and much more. And then there's Lisa, a math whiz, who began virtual tutoring. Her ability to simplify complex concepts has made her a sought-after tutor, significantly boosting her income. And there's Miss Excel, who loves talking about math and how to use Excel in the right way to actually help people stand out. And she's made a ton of money from doing so. If you're interested about watching what she's done, I encourage you to watch the video I made about her. It's really going to be an eye-opener for you. So guys, why not leverage your skills and passions in the boundless realm of the internet? Remember, these opportunities are not just theoretical. As we wrap up this segment, think about the digital skills you possess or could develop. Share in the comments below what online opportunities you're considering, and stay tuned as our next segment will reveal a unique and innovative strategy to further elevate your financial game this holiday season. Strategy number 5, investment and financial moves. Guys, as we dive into our 5th and final strategy, let's focus on how smart investment choices and cashback rewards can significantly contribute to your Christmas budget. This isn't about high-risk trading. It's about making wise, calculated financial moves that can offer you extra cash when you need it the most. First, let's look at what investing is all about. This is pretty straightforward. See, you have to learn basic investment principles and start with small, low-risk investment. The challenge here is navigating the risk of investing. And really guys, the solution is really on your fingertips. First thing you've got to do is educate yourself on investment strategies and consider consulting a financial advisor. You can start by reading Benjamin Graham's book, which is The Intelligent Investor. I've got the book over here, and I also got a link in the description below where you can get the book for a small fraction. But like I said, it's really important that you actually read books, and more importantly, look for a financial advisor that can help you set a proper financial plan. This financial advisor can actually look into your personal financial situation and provide you with a tailor-made financial plan for you to achieve your goals. If you're unable to find someone within your reach, then I encourage you to click on the link below in my description box, and I can help you set up a financial plan tailored specifically for your needs to help you achieve your goals in the new year, in 2024. So click on the link below to achieve your financial goals and dreams. Now let's go on to the video. Regarding consulting a financial advisor, one way to look at this is to actually consider the world of micro-investing apps. There are lots of platforms out there like Simple in Canada, Webull in the US, and Trading212 in the UK. These platforms allow you to invest a small amount of money, often just a spare change from your daily purchases. I know some of you buy coffee almost every day. Now, think about using a fraction of that amount of money that you spend on a coffee and investing that money every single day or every week or every month as you please. I truly believe it's a simple and relatively low-risk way to start growing your savings and investing for your future. You can buy ETF stocks as a basket of stocks or put it into one. The share price of most of these stocks like Walmart, Coca-Cola, Apple, they've grown over the past 5 years and much longer. So if you're really confident about investing, why don't you just go ahead and buy those individual stocks? Or you can simply just buy the basket of stocks, which is called an ETF. Really, the choice is yours. By setting aside a small amount over the year, you could accumulate the need sum by Christmas. Now, here's another interesting one, which is the power of cashback rewards. You see guys, many of us use credit cards for our daily purchases. But are we truly maximizing those benefits? You see, by using a card that offers cashback on purchases, you can earn money back on your regular spending. Over time, this can add up to a significant amount, perfect for your holiday shopping. I recommend that you utilize cashback credit cards for your purchases to slowly build up a reserve. Now, I'm not saying you should just go ahead and splurge anyhow on your credit card, but be smart about doing so. Let's look at an example here. Sarah, a teacher who started using cashback credit card for her everyday purchases. By the time December rolled around, she had accumulated enough cashback to buy gifts for her entire family without dipping into her savings. Guys, it's also worth exploring savings accounts with higher interest rates. While the returns might seem small, they're often much safer than other investment options. Truly guys, every penny really counts, like buying a loved one a Christmas gift over the Christmas holiday. Remember, the key here is to start early and be consistent. So whether it's investing small amounts, using cashback credit cards, or saving diligently, these strategies can help you build a substantial Christmas fund. So what are your thoughts on these financial moves I just shared with you? Have you tried any of these methods? Share your experiences in the comments below and let's learn from each other. And don't forget, your financial well-being is a journey and every small step really counts. Alright guys, now for our bonus strategy. Before wrapping up, let's touch on some crucial aspects of these strategies. First, risk management. You see, while leveraging sales can be profitable, it's important to understand and mitigate risk, especially in investments on online sales. It's very important that you weigh the potential gains against your risk. Second, time management. You see, time management is key when juggling these strategies with your daily life. So set realistic goals and allocate specific times for your side hustles to maintain a healthy balance. Third, budgeting and financial planning. Guys, earning extra cash is really great, but managing it wisely is really crucial. If you truly want a comprehensive breakdown of how to budget effectively for Christmas shopping, check out my detailed video on this topic. Also, don't overlook the legal and tax implications of selling or freelancing. It's best to stay informed about the regulations in your area to avoid any surprises. And lastly, while these strategies are aimed at short-term goals like Christmas shopping, consider how they can align with your long-term financial objectives. So building a foundation now can contribute to your financial health in the long run. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried any of these strategies? Share your experiences like I've said, and let's learn from each other's journey. Remember, understanding the psychology behind holiday spending is really crucial as knowing how to make money. It's not just about earning, it's about spending wisely and meaningfully. As we reach the end of our journey today, let's take a moment to reflect on the empowering strategies we've explored. From innovative side hustles to wise investment moves, we've navigated a range of methods to boost your holiday budget without the stress. Remember Emily, the graphic designer who funded her entire holiday shopping by freelancing? Her story, along with the others like Carlos, isn't just inspiring. They're practical blueprints for you to follow. And look, if a strategy doesn't work as planned, it's okay. It's all about trying different things and seeing what works for you. Sometimes, like Emily and Carlos, you might stumble upon a great idea. Other times, you might need to switch tactics. The key is to keep going and not getting discouraged by setbacks. So, what's your move going to be? Will you turn your hobby into a side hustle, or will you explore the digital world for new opportunities? Share your stories in the comments below, and let's learn from each other and build a community that thrives on shared financial wisdom. And guys, if you're eager for more insights and strategies to elevate your financial journey, don't forget to check out my website. For in-depth blogs to personalized coaching, we've got resources tailored to your financial goals. Whether you're aiming to break free from debt, invest with confidence, or kickstart a successful side hustle, our website resources and my one-on-one coaching sessions are designed to propel you towards a financial triumph. So as we conclude today's session, remember, your journey to financial success is really ongoing, and every step truly counts. And don't forget, the journey to a financially empowered holiday season doesn't end here. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, which is holiday side hustles and how you can make extra money for Christmas. I'll dive into more innovative ways to enhance your festive budget. Until then, keep exploring, stay money smart, and let's make this holiday season not just merry, but financially wise as well. Bye.